Offsetting a front lens-mounted ocular assembly for an asymmetrical interpupillary distance. Warning: this procedure is recommended for use with Galilean loops only. It is not recommended for prism-type loops. Oftentimes, our left and right eyes are not exactly the same distance from our nose bridge. To accommodate this, we can reposition one of the oculars on a front lens-mounted ocular assembly. We will start by removing the screw on the bottom of the rack and removing the PD adjustment knob. Now, in this example, we will extend the right ocular only just a small amount. The ocular you move and the distance you move it, you will customize to your particular case. We now replace the PD adjustment knob. As you can see, the right ocular is now offset. And now we replace the screw. The front lens mounted ocular assembly is now set for an asymmetrical interpupillary distance.